So, hello guys. Niabot na dahil ang ato ang Gcash Mastercard. I'm so excited to open this kay pilapod na ko siya kaadlaw gihulat. So, let's go. Let's open. Nagpataka ra kag abli dai. Diyan ang tamang bukasan. Very good. Okay, I'm so excited. Charan! Here it is. Okay, the back details. Accessible, convenient, secure. Yes, advertisement of the card. The front details. Yes, guys. Gcash. Nice. So, let's open. So excited ng gamitan ni kay. Very convenient. Dili na ka magbayad og dako if mag-cash out ka or mag-cash in ka. Just 15 pesos mag-cash out ka. Like, marakag mag-withdraw sa bangko, tas 15 pesos lang ang charge. So, any amount, bahalag 10k pa na, 50k pa na, ili na ka magbayad og dako nga charge fee. Just 15 pesos lang ang charge jud, guys. So, yes, the back details, I mean the front, the ways to how to use and the ways to activate. And yes, buy yours now, guys. It's very convenient jud. Yes, the front details. Super nindot jud, guys. The back details. So, maora to. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.